Hey friends, today I am going to start the history classes. If you are not following the science classes, then follow the link that is given in the description box. There will be videos provided on science and history on alternative days. Hope you will all love it. Let's take a look at today's topic, and in the comment section you tell me about if you want the history classes topic wise. If you want the full notes on topic wise, then tell me in the comment box. So let's a quick look at it. The history classes that is related to Gandhian era. Now, who led the salt satyagraha after Gandhi? After Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu led the salt satyagraha. Next one is Gandhi first used the hunger strike as a weapon in which strike, that is Ahmedabad mill strike in 1918. Next is Acharya Vinoba Bhave was one of the first individual to start the satyagraha. He started this one is Paunar, that is in Maharashtra. Next, from the book Unto the Last by John Ruskin, Gandhi was influenced. Swarajya Party was formed by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das in 1922 at Goa session of Congress. Next, Gandhi considered Khadi as a symbol of economic independence. Next, India Wins Freedom. The book is written by Abul Kalam Azad. Next, motive of roundtable conferences. A future constitution of India to be framed. In Johannesburg, Mahatma Gandhi was beaten up and thrown off the pavement by the white people in the place, that is Johannesburg, that is in South Africa. Who attended the Congress of Oppressed Nationalists at Brussels in 1927, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, J.L. Nehru. And Gandhi was a staunch supporter of cottage industries. Next is Swarajya Party was formed following the failure of non-cooperation movement that started in 1920 and that ended in 1922 due to the Chauri Chaura incident in 1922. Next one is President of INC when Mountbatten Plan was accepted, that is J.B. Kripalani. INC means Indian National Congress. Next, men justify the ends. Means justify the ends. That was the idea by Gandhiji. Means justify the ends. Provincial autonomy is the important feature of Act of 1935. Weeping of every tear from every eye. That was a quotation made by Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, INA trial at 1945. Bhulabhai Desai was one of the advocates who defended INA, Indian National Army, that was led by Subhash Chandra Bose into India. Next one is Congress Socialist Party, that was started by Acharya Narendra Dev and J.P. Narayanan in 1934. Next, issue on which civil disobedience movement was started, that was complete freedom. Next, Gandhi's remark, a post-dated check on a crumbling bank. That remark was made on the Cripps mission. Next, my experiment with the truth, that is made by Mahatma Gandhi, M.K. Gandhi. Gandhi's movement of boycotting the foreign goods, promotion of cottage industry, foreign goods was for the promotion of cottage industries. When did India attain the dominion status? That was on 15th August 1947. Gandhiji was called a half-naked beggar or half-naked fakir by Winston Churchill. Khilafat movement started in 1920. Chauri Chaura incident happened in 1922. Champaran movement in 1917. And the first roundtable conference was on 1930. Jawaharlal Nehru was associated with National Herald newspaper. Now, International Day of Non-Violence, that was in October 2. That is the birthday of Gandhiji. Next, diarchy in the provincial government, that is Montagu-Chelmsford Act of 1919. First of all, first All India Hartal was in protest against the Rowlatt Act. In the protest against the Rowlatt Act. Now, Gandhi wrote, "Personally, I am so sick of slavery that I am even prepared to take the rise of anarchy." This was done during the Quit India movement of 1942. Next, resolution of Purna Swaraj that was taken in Lahore session 1929. Resolution of fundamental rights that was made in Karachi session 1931 of Indian National Congress. Next, resolution of Congress party adopted the slogan that is "Do and Die" that was in August 1942. That was the slogan of Quit India movement. Next, The Nation in the Making is a book written by Surendranath Banerjee that is known as Bengal Tiger. Now, second roundtable conference from Congress, the Congress representative was Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, that is in 1931. 1932 was third roundtable conference. In 1919, president of Khilafat Conference was Gandhiji. The martyrdom of Sardar Bhagat Singh was done on 1931, 23rd March, I think. The political guru of Gandhi was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. First peasant movement launched by Gandhiji was at Champaran, Bihar. Bhulabhai Desai, Tej Bahadur Sabru, Jawaharlal Nehru all defended the INA trial, but Chakraborty Rajagopal did not opt for it. Now, Aruna Asaf Ali was associated with the Quit India movement. He was associated with the underground activities during them. Next, civil disobedience movement that happened during the reign of Lord Irwin. Now, communal award that was given by Ramsay MacDonald, British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald on 1932 to divide the Hindu and Muslims residing in Hindustan. Next, the Pune Pact Facts 1932 that was for the reservation of seats for depressed classes in both provincial and central legislative assemblies. And next one is acceptance of joint electoral system. Next, Direct Action Day led to Bihar riots. Direct Action Day was taken on 16th October 1940, I think. Now, next one is introduction of Planning Commission, that is Haripura Congress 1938. In the Haripura Congress 1938, Subhash Chandra Bose became the first president. For the first time. He defeated Pattavi Sitaramaiah. Pattavi Sitaramaiah was nominated by Gandhiji. Gandhiji also told that Sitaramaiah's defeat was his own defeat. And Subhash Chandra Bose was president for 1938 session and 1939 session. Next, Hind Swaraj. Mahatma Gandhi was critical of railways. In the Hind Swaraj, that was a journal, that Mahatma Gandhi was critical of railways because the carriers of the plague germ, the railways used to carry the carriers for the plague germs. The instruments for frequency of famines, it was the main instrument that caused the famines. And the creation of class division in the society, that created also the class division. The reservation classes and other classes used to create the class division in the society. Next one is India and Pakistan was created by the Indian Independence Act. Next, Congress ministry tendered their resignation in 1937 in the provinces because India was declared as a party of World War II by the British government without taking permission from the Indian leaders. Next, Ramsay MacDonald's communal award that was for separate electorate for the depressed classes. I told you that he wanted to make differences in the Hindus and Muslims and the lower classes of people. So after that came the Pune Pact between Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now, Deshbandhu. Deshbandhu is Chittaranjan Das, and Dinabandhu is Charles Freer Andrews. Charles Freer Andrews was closely associated with Mahatma Gandhi. Next, in the Viceroy Executive Council, the finance portfolio was held by Liaquat Ali Khan. The finance portfolio was held by Liaquat Ali Khan. There were very few Muslims who used to hold the executive council spots. So Liaquat Ali Khan was one of them. Next is Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. Those were hanged on 23rd March 1931, like I told you earlier. This is due to the assembly bomb case. And this was done during the reign of Lord Irwin. Now, INA had different regiments. The Rani Jhansi regiment was also in the Azad Hind Fauj. Azad Hind Fauj was formed in Singapore. Later it was shifted to Japan. Then from Japan it was led to India through Singapore and Thailand. So Lakshmi Sehgal commanded the Rani Jhansi regiment. Next, All India Khilafat Conference met at Delhi, November 1919. In that Khilafat Conference, Gandhi was made the president of Khilafat Congress. Now, Muhammad Iqbal, he was the only Urdu poet who was invited in the second and third roundtable conferences. There were very few Indians who were invited in second and roundtable conferences. Next, the first Governor General of Pakistan was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. For India, it was the first Governor General was Lord Mountbatten, but first Governor General who was an Indian, he was Chakraborty Rajgopalachari. Next, the investigation of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. For the investigation of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the British government provided a commission that was Hunter Commission, and failure of Hunter Commission led to the introduction of Simon Commission. Simon Commission was came to India with a future constitution reforms. Now, October 26, 1947, why it is important? Because Maharaja Hari Singh signing of instrument of accession. Next, cabinet mission was presided by, who used to preside the cabinet mission? That is Sir Patrick Lawrence. The other members were Sir Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander. Next is Udham Singh, who killed General Michael O'Dwyer, because of he was killed in London and he was accused for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Now, Jayaprakash Narayan is known as Lok Nayak. Next, at the time of transfer of power to India, it was Mysore which had a well-developed Congress party organization in the state. Next is civil disobedience movement in Travancore that was launched by C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer. The Pune Pact aimed to represent the lower classes in the provinces and as well as in the central legislative assemblies. Next, the Butler Commission that was made in 1927 why it was made? To improve the relationship between the government of India and the other princely states that was in India. As an English, who was Mahatma Gandhi's close compatriot? That was C.F. Andrews. Next, the chairman of Joint Parliamentary Committees of 1935 bill that led to the framing of Government of India Act was Lord Linlithgow. Next, Prime Minister of England at the time of Quit India movement, that was Winston Churchill. Later came Clement Attlee. Now, Abul Kalam Azad was the Congress president during 1942 to 1946, who negotiated both the Cripps Mission and the Wavell Plan. Cripps Mission came to India on 1942 and the Wavell Plan was made on 1944. Next. How many seats were given to the depressed classes under the Communal Award and Pune Pact? Under the Communal Award, the amount of seats were 71 and under the Pune Pact, it was 147 respectively. Next. Congress session of 1992 that led to the formation of Swarajya Party by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. The session was made in Gaya, Bihar. That is in Bihar. Next. Tej Bahadur Sopru played an important role in signing of Gandhi-Irwin Pact. He played an important role in signing of Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Now, why did people gather to demonstrate the Jallianwala Bagh massacre to protest against the arrest of Dr. Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal? Next is, at Champaran, Bihar, Gandhiji started the Satyagraha movement for the first time. Gandhiji started his Satyagraha movement for the first time at Champaran, Bihar. It was done with the farmers. Next is non-cooperation movement launched at the Calcutta session, that was a special session of INC in 1920. Next, Rabindranath Tagore took the burning of foreign clothes as a insensate waste. There was a periodical which was published by Mahatma Gandhi during his stay in South Africa, that was Indian Opinion. Next is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role in which Satyagraha, that is in Bardoli Satyagraha, that was in Maharashtra. Next is struggles of Mahatma Gandhi relating to the industrial workers, that was first made in Ahmedabad mill strike, that was in 1918 for the increment in the wages of the workers. They wanted 25% increase, but the company officials wanted to provide the 20% increase only. So Gandhiji told him not to withdraw the strike. Next is August Declaration, that was made by Montagu in 1919, and the August Offer, that was made by Lord Linlithgow, and August Resolution was passed by Mahatma Gandhi. Next one is what was the reason for the boycott of Simon Commission? Because all the members were Englishmen. There were only 7 members in the Simon Commission, that was for the constitutional reforms in India. So all the members were Englishmen. So the Indian did not support the Simon Commission. Next is Diarchy, first introduced by the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Diarchy for the first time was introduced in the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms in 1919. Next one is Mahatma Gandhi, like fleeting phantom, raises dust but not the level. That was a comment made by Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next is INC could not get absolute majority during the general election in 1937, where that was in Assam. Next is Madan Mohan Malviya and Motilal Nehru decided to launch an independent party on 16th 1922, and Madan Mohan Malviya was the man who signed the Pune Pact for Gandhiji with B.R. Ambedkar. Next is Kashi Vidyapith, Gujarat Vidyapith and Jamia Millia Islamia was all the institutions formed during the non-cooperation movement. Next is heavy industrialization was favored by Nehru, not by Gandhi. Gandhiji used to favor the cottage industries, but Nehru used to favor the heavy industrialization and non-cooperation movement was started in 1920. As an Pakistani international who was awarded Bharat Ratna from the Indians, that was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was associated with the Red Shirts in the northwestern provinces. Next is India's partition resolution passed at Delhi session, that was on 14 June 1947. Who was the president during that time of INC? That was Rajendra Prasad. Next is, every blow that is hurled on my back will be a nail in the coffin of the British Empire. Who told it? That was Lala Lajpat Rai. After soon he died. It was a comment made on after the protest of Simon Commission. Lala Lajpat Rai was beaten and he was hit at the chest very hard. After some days he died. Next is Subhash Chandra Bose wrote the book The Indian Struggle. Next one is, there is going to be a revolution here and we must get out of here quickly. That was a comment made by Lord Wavell. Rajendra Prasad was nominated the president of INC after the resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose in Tripuri Congress in 1939. Subhash Chandra Bose hold the president post for Haripura Congress and Tripuri Congress only. After that, he started the Forward Bloc in 1940. In 1941, he left for Singapore and he took over the charge of Indian National Army from Rasbihari Bose. Next is Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly in 1925, that was held, that was Vittal Bhai Patel. Next is Independent League, that was formed by Motilal Nehru. Next one is the Sabarmati Ashram, that is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, that was formed by Mahatma Gandhi, who just suggested the winding up of the INC after India attained freedom. He wanted to end up INC after India wanted to attain freedom. That was Mahatma Gandhi. Hope you all liked the video. The video will be very useful for you. And if you like the video and for more videos like that, please like, comment and share as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. I will be back tomorrow with the science classes continued, that will be on chemistry. Till then, bye.